Giana Rose, professionally known as Jaya Rose or Gia Flip, is a talented American dancer, actress, model, and social media influencer who has captivated audiences with her acrobatic flair and vibrant energy since childhood. Giana grew up in a supportive family environment in California, where her passion for the performing arts blossomed early. The daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rose, whose names remain private, she shares a close bond with her older brother, who has served as both a role model and constant encourager in her pursuits. Giana remains active with Rock Squad, posting regularly on Instagram and TikTok, including fun edits and squad adventures. Fan favorite YouTube transformation videos comparing her growth to peers like Faye Knightley and Anna McNulty highlight her evolution throughout the year. She continues to explore new dance projects and endorsements, with no major acting announcements but a steady growth in her digital footprint. Recognized as a DNCR Academy legend by acclaimed choreographer Matt Stefania, Giana's dance videos blending acrobatics, hip-hop and contemporary styles have gone viral, amazing millions of views. Giana's professional trajectory ignited with her early dance successes, transitioning seamlessly into modeling, acting and content creation. Her breakthrough came through high-profile endorsements and roles that showcased her versatility. She has fronted over 15 national commercials for brands including Macy's, Hasbro, Kohl's, Care.com and Wayfair, while starting runways for Puma and TY Inc. In acting, she earned acclaim for her appearance in NBC's Annie Live, a live musical adaptation that highlighted her stage presence. Additional credits include a role in Hulu's anthology series Castle Rock and the empowering International Day of the Girl campaign. From a tender age, Giana displayed remarkable talent. She began competitive dance training at just 4 years old, quickly advancing to win a national title for her acro solo performance the following year.